Hi, welcome to Ginger's Doll World. In this video, I'm creating Valentine's Day crafts for dollhouses. Keep watching! These crafts are really simple. I get most of my supplies from the dollar store, and if you can't find the exact same thing, you can use other similar items instead. Okay, let's get started on the first craft.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la. Laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can't do anything. Just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
I love how this wreath turned out. It looks amazing on this door. Okay, on to the next two crafts. like both the signs I made, but I think this one is my favorite. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!